Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode, then you can walk into the scene. What you need to do here is just to make sure you are standing at the right point. Then you can now start looking around. Okay, that is the only thing. You can look around for some minutes or some seconds. Then after looking around, the next thing you are going to be doing is to make a jump. Then you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, click on CapCut, new video there. Import your video to workspace. All right, click on your video and click on volume to reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. We need an empty background here. Click on your video, you go and look for freeze. All right, freeze this part. Okay, click on this first one, then you delete it. You click on the last one and go and look for overlay. Locate overlay, guys. Overlay this part. Click on your background and drag it to the duration of your video. After dragging it, you come back as we locate where we want this video to start from. All right, so from this very point now, you are going to be clicking this place here to make a split. Make a split there. Delete the first part. Click on this one and drag it to the beginning of your video. You locate where you want this your video to end, or locate that place where you jump up. Immediately you come down, make another split. You delete that last part. All right, then you come back. Now you are going to be clicking on the background to make a split and delete this last part. Then come back, click on your second layer, the main video. Okay, click on it and locate remove BG. Look for remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. All right, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Guys, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will not be missing out on anything. All right, welcome back to this tutorial. As you can see, it has removed completely. Mark on this good, you go back. So at this point, you are going to be clicking on that arrow. From this point, click on that arrow, click on overlay. All right, click on add overlay. Then you locate this green screen and import it to workspace. Click on volume and you reduce it to 0. Mark on this good, then you go back. At this point, locate remove BG, guys. Look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key. You drag it to the green point and mark on this good and go back. Click on it again and go and look for adjust. Okay, click on adjust here. Look for HSL. Click on it, mark on this green, reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on this good, then you are going to be going back. So at this point, let us look at it and see what it look like. Just play it. Let's see what this part look like. You can see how the rock is coming out from the ground now. That is the magic. Okay, but you can see that this green screen is too short. Click it now, you crop it to where the stone or the rocks is showing. We are going to be doing duplicate. We are going to be duplicating it so that it will cover our video. So you click it, then you look for duplicate, then you are going to be duplicating it. You crop this starting side a little bit, crop it. So you drag it to align. Then you are going to make some other duplicate so that it will cover our video, as you are duplicating, you are adjusting and dragging it up. If you need this green screen rock, DM me, I am going to send it to you. So at this point, this place where you make a jump, click it. You go and look for freeze. Okay, we are freezing this part. All right, so freeze this part here now, freeze it. Then you click this last part. There is one small clip there, you delete it. Then you click this one and trim it to be equal with your video. You are clicking this one to still duplicate it so that it will cover a video completely. Duplicate it, then you do your necessary adjustment. Then you come back and click on add overlay here. Click on this add overlay. Click on add overlay, guys. Then you import this your rock, locate it, import this rock to workspace. Now you go and look for freeze again. We are going to be freezing this very rock. Look for freeze, freeze it. All right, freeze this part. Click on this first part and delete it. Click on the last part and delete it. Click on this one and go and look for remove BG again. Click on remove BG. As you have find it, click on it, chroma key, you drag it to this green point, mark on this good, guys. Still click it again to locate adjust like we did before. Click on adjust, HSL, green, reduce saturation to 100%, mark on this good. You go back, then click it to come and align with this, trim it to be equal with your video. So what we are going to be doing now is to click on the rock, then you do your necessary adjustments. All right, that is what I'm going to be doing now. Do your necessary adjustment, bring the rock to be at your chest. Okay, after the whole adjustment, now we are going to be clicking on the character layer to add keyframe. Click on the green as well, add keyframe, then you adjust it to the end. Then you click on the character layer and drag him out. Drag that character, drag yourself out. Then you click on the rock as well, you drag the rock to follow the character. So after that, let us see what it look like. Let us see what it look like. Then we are playing it from the beginning to see what we have got. Okay, let us allow the video to play. As you can see that it is playing. Just calm down and assess what you have done. This part is the part of assessment in case if there is any adjustment, but you can see that the video is playing very fantastic. Allow it to play to the end. Let's see what we have got. Let's see the result of the video. Good, this is fantastic. So the next thing now you are going to be doing is to click on export. You allow this video to export to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in our gallery. You can now share it to social media handles. But guys, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you have any trick or magic effects you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next video.